What's up, guys? Just another quick update. So your wife wants you to. I like these quick updates. They're kind of nice. What I'm doing today, cleaning this filter out. This is for the Intex pool. You take a look, see all the blue stuff. That's all actually pool noodle foam pieces because we're using pool noodles from the previous year, so they get kind of gross and they fall apart. But one thing you can do is use your hose to clean this filter out. It's actually, you don't have to throw these things away every single time. These are the paper filters for the Intex pools. You can just hose these down. I'll show you how I'm doing it if I can. Just hose these down by, hold on. Just take your hose and go one line at a time. And do the next line. And then the next line, keep on going until that thing's all the way clean. It'll save you about 12 to 15 bucks a month and having multiple trips to the store. Just what I do, and it works real well. So that's all. I think it's been close to a minute, so our minute update is done. Time for you guys and me to get back to work. Take care, guys.